For today's demonstration, I'm going to show you how to pick up a dropped stitch that hasn't run down very far and fix it without using a crochet hook. So first of all, ignore the rest of it and just what I've got here on the pegs. You're going to go down behind these lines. You're going to find your loop. You're going to grab that loop with your loom pick or your fingers, it doesn't matter, and then bring it back up and place it on the peg. Now let's turn it back around. Now we've got our loop on our peg, but we still have these that we need to fix. Now you will see, if I turn it back around, that you will have them in order. Now, some of yarns, it's harder to tell which one's which, but you will find that bottom one and bring it up under. Whether you do it from one side or the other, it doesn't matter. You'll bring it under these top ones. You're going to place it on here. Now, if you've worked a purl, you would still go down if that's what needs to be done. If it is a knit, you will knit. If you are working E-wrap, instead of just placing it on there, you will need to take that yarn, whichever way you're going, and wrap it around like you're doing an E-wrap. So we put that back on. Since mine are just straight knits, I will just put it on there and I will bring it over. Now that is one. Then we will come down. We will find that next one. That one's the top one. This is the next one. Bring it under, up over that peg, and then knit it. And then we will do that last one. Bring it over and knit it. And then you might want to switch it out a little bit. And there you go. You have brought and fixed a dropped stitch that has run down. Now, I have been known you can fix stitches that way as well. Like if you see that you've made a mistake down here, you can drop that stitch, let it run down just to that place, and then do that same thing. Pick that stitch back up, that live one, and then you will work your way back up with the other legs that have run across. And that is all there is to picking up a drop stitch without using a crochet hook.